Hello, welcome to the video lecture on logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building block for any digital system. A logic gate is an electronic circuit which makes logical decision. It is an electronic circuit which has one or more inputs and only one output. So the output signal appears only for a certain combination of the input signal, which means the output is either high or low depending on the input signal and also on the property of the gate. The relationship between the input and output is based on a certain logic. Based on this logic, there are different types of logic gates. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. The first three types of gates are called basic gates. NAND and NOR are universal gates. XOR, XNOR are special purpose gates. So let us see each and every gate in detail now. So first is AND gate. The logical symbol and truth table for AND gate is shown here in figure. Truth table. The operation of a logic gate can be best understood with the help of this truth table. The truth table consists of all possible combination of the input and the corresponding output. The Boolean expression for AND gate is shown here in figure. Boolean expression, the relationship between input and output is expressed by a mathematical expression that is called Boolean expression. The first is AND gate. So AND gate performs logical multiplication, commonly known as AND function. AND gate has two or more inputs and only one output. The output of the AND gate is high only when all the inputs are high. Even if any one of the input is low, the output is low. Logical symbol for two input AND gate is shown here in figure. It has two inputs A and B, one output Y. Y is equal to A and B, A dot B. The dot means AND operation. So 3 input AND gate is shown here in figure. So it has 3 inputs A, B, C. Output Y will be equal to A dot B dot C. So truth table for AND gate is shown here in figure. As you can see, output is high only when all the inputs are high. Else the output is 0. OR gate. The logical symbol and truth table for OR gate is shown here in figure. OR gate performs logical addition, also known as OR function. The OR gate has two or more inputs and one output. The operation of OR gate is such that it produces high output when any of the input is high. The output is low when all the inputs are low. The logical symbol for two input OR gate is shown here in figure. So it has two inputs A, B and one output Y. Y is equal to A or B. This means logical addition. In the same way, the logic symbol for three input OR gate is shown here in figure. It has three inputs A, B, C. Output Y is equal to A or B or C. As you can see, the output is high if any one of the input is high. If all the inputs are low, the output is low. The logical symbol and truth table for NOT gate is shown here in figure. NOT gate performs a basic logic function called inversion or complementation. The purpose of this gate is to convert one logic level to opposite logic level. It has one input and one output. When high level is applied at the input side, low appears at the output side. The truth table for NOT gate is shown here in figure. So when 0 is applied, output will be 1. And when 1 is applied, output will be 0. The logic symbol and truth table for NAND gate is shown here in figure. So NAND gate is combination of NOT and AND. So AND gate followed by inverter performs NAND operation. When all the inputs are high, output is low. If any one or both the inputs are low, the output is high. Logical symbol for NAND gate, two input NAND gate is shown here in figure. So it has two inputs A and B and one output Y. Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. So the output is low when both the inputs are high. Even if any one input or both the inputs are low, output will be high. So 3 input NAND gate is shown here in figure. It has 3 inputs X, Y, Z. So output will be X dot Y dot Z the whole bar. So NAND gate can be obtained by putting a bubble at the output of the AND gate, or it can also be obtained from the OR gate by inserting bubble at the input side of the AND gate. So now the inputs of the OR gate will be X bar, Y bar, Z bar. It can be obtained from OR gate by inserting bubble at the input of the OR gate. So the output will be X bar plus Y bar plus Z bar, which is nothing but by using De Morgan's theorem, this can be written as X, Y, Z the whole bar. The logical symbol and truth table for NOR gate is shown here in figure. It is combination of NOT OR. OR followed by an inverter performs NOR function. It has two or more inputs and only one output. The output is high only when all the inputs are low. If any one or both the inputs are high, then the output is low. The logical symbol for two input NOR gate is shown here in figure. So it has two inputs A, B and output Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. So output will be high only when both the inputs are low. If any one of the input is high, the output will be low. 3 input NOR gate is shown here in figure. So 3 inputs X, Y, Z are applied at the input. So the output will be X plus Y plus Z the whole bar. NOR gate can be obtained from OR gate by putting bubble at the output of the OR gate or by putting bubbles at the input of the AND gate. So now the input for this AND gate will be X bar, Y bar, Z bar. So X bar dot Y bar dot Z bar. This is nothing but by using De Morgan's theorem I can write it as X or Y or Z the whole bar. The logic symbol and truth table for XOR gate is shown here in figure. Exclusive OR gate. It has two or more inputs and one output. The output of the two input XOR gate assumes a high state if and only if one input assumes a high state. So the output is high if either input A or B is high exclusively and low when both are 1 or 0 simultaneously. The logic symbol for XOR gate is shown here in figure. So it has two inputs A, B, output it is equal to A. The symbol is called XOR symbol, A XOR B. So A XOR B is nothing but A B bar plus A bar B. So equivalent circuit of XOR gate using AND or NOT is shown here in figure. So it is A dot B bar, A dot B bar and plus A bar B. So these two are all together here. This is the equivalent circuit for XOR gate. XOR gate shows that the output is high when any one but not all of the inputs are 1. So the XOR gate is high only when an odd number of input is high. When there are even number of high inputs such as 2 or 4, the output will always be low. So when odd number of inputs are high, output will be high. XNOR gate. The logic symbol and truth table for XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate is shown here in figure. So it is an XOR gate followed by an inverter. So XNOR gate has two or more inputs and only one output. The output of a two input XNOR gate assumes a high state if both the input assumes the same logic state or have an even number of ones. And the output is low when the input assumes different logic states or have an odd number of ones. So this is the logic symbol for two input XNOR gate. So the two inputs A and B are applied, output will be A XNOR B. The truth table for an XNOR gate is shown here in figure. So when the logic states A and B assume same state, output will be high. When they assume different state, so when A is same as B, output will be high, else it will be equal to 0, it will be low. The equivalent circuit for XNOR gate is shown here in figure. A XNOR B is nothing but A dot B plus A bar dot B bar. So A and B are ANDed here, A bar B bar they are ANDed here, and those two outputs are OR using OR gate. Sum of product function can be implemented using logic gates. So this diagram shows you how to implement SOP function using logic gates. To implement SOP function using logic gates, we use AND at the input side and followed by OR at the output side. Let us see how to implement this two input function using logic gates. Since it is having only two inputs, two input variables A and B, so we just use only two input gates, two input AND gate and two input OR gate. So since this term has two product terms, we need two AND gates here. So A dot B, output of this AND gate will be A dot B, first expression. Next we need A dot B bar, A, so put an inverter here, so we get B bar. So at the output we get A dot B bar, and these two are OR, these two are summed together, logical sum by using OR gate. Thus the function can be implemented using logic gate. Same way, three variable input function can also be implemented using logic gates. we need 3 input AND gate here. So 3 input AND gate is shown here in figure. Since this term has three product terms, we need 3 AND gates here. So first is A dot B dot C. So A, B, C. Output of the first AND gate is A, B, C. Second it is A, B, C bar. A, B. Put an inverter here, we get C bar. Output is A, B, C bar. So the last one, A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar. All the 3 functions are odd using an OR gate. So the output will be the output F. The same way, piecewise function can be implemented using logic gates. To implement product of some functions, at the input side we need OR gate and at the output side we need AND gate. Let us now see how to implement this function using logic gates. So here we have 2 sum terms. One is A plus B, other one is A plus B bar. So we need 2 OR gates here at the input side. So in the output of the first OR gate, A or B. So A or B will be the output. Here A or B bar. So B bar, we need an inverter here. So the output of the next OR gate will be A or B bar. So these two are now multiplied together. Logical multiplication. So the output, now we need an AND gate. So output of the AND gate will be now equal to F. The same way 3 input variable can be implemented using logic gates. So since it is a 3 input variable, we need 3 input OR gate. So first function. So we have 3 sum terms here. Since we have 3 sum terms, we need 3 OR gates. First expression A or B or C. A or B or C. Output of the first OR gate. Next A bar or B bar or C. A bar, B bar, C. Next it is A or B bar, C. A, B bar, C. So all the sum terms are now producted using AND function, logical multiplication. That gives your output. So this is how we can implement 3 input variable using logic functions. Thank you for watching this video.